Hey guys, back out here on the farm again. Feed up day. TJ, watching Papa. Out here today on the farm. Watch them out there eating right now. They're gonna call that water they had. All the water they had, guys. They're gonna call that. Watch them. Watch them over here wanting to fight. It's about 80 degrees out here today. Feels pretty good. Warm. Watch them. Small herd out here eating too. Y'all gonna let me rub y'all today? No. When y'all eat, I ain't gonna bother you. Eat. Hey guys, watch Little Red right there, guys. Again, this is why all the cows look good out here. You don't see none of their sides poking out. Watch her. That's Big Mama there. What we got here today, guys. Company truck. If y'all wanna know what we really are, it's right here. JW Angus Farms. Out here enjoying this beautiful day. Here goes the baby calf who was out here checking on the other day. Here she goes right here. Looking okay. Fish check upon her right quick, guys. Told y'all we were showing y'all this is feed up day. She out here. Ain't nothing easy. Had to give them 1,200 pounds of feed. All them bags. It's a lot of feed, ain't it, guys? That's what you got to get right out here every Friday on JW Angus Farms. Every Friday.